Hi, this is Mr. Harmless, and I want to show you how to install Grammarly so that it will work with your Google Drive. And so I'm going to give this a shot. Hopefully, this works. I'm going to start by searching for, and I can just type in the address bar, Grammarly, and I'm going to use Grammarly Chrome extension. Notice it auto completes for me, and so I want to look for this, and so I hit enter. The first one that pops up if I use this search is Grammarly for Chrome. That's what I'm looking for, chrome.google.com. This way you know it's the real thing. And so I'm going to click on that. And here we have Grammarly for Chrome offered by Grammarly. I'm going to click Add to Chrome. Notice I'm signed into my school account at this point. And so this will be true for your Chromebooks as well as like I'm using a Windows computer right now. So I'm going to click Add to Chrome. Add extension. Now let's see what happens next. Notice it downloaded something here. Oh, there we go. Grammarly. Notice it popped up this new extension. Now I'm going to down here where it says create a free account. Notice it opened up this new page for me automatically. I want to click continue with Google because I'm using my school Google account. And there it is. Most of my writing is for school, and I have beginner writing skills. If you're a student, this might be true. Continue. All right. Continue to save your settings. I have no idea the importance of all of this. This is just tell me what it can help me with. Continue to save. We're not going to do this. We're just going to do the free version. I'm also not going to add it to Windows. I'm just going to make sure that this extension works. So now that I've done this, and this is all up, I'm going to open a new tab up here, and I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I have an essay that I've been working on for my English teacher. And, oh, there it is. It's in my quick access, my recent. It would show up as well. This is my important essay. Okay, so open it up here. Okay, now notice I opened this up, and because Grammarly has been installed, look right here. It says Grammarly is now beta testing on Google Docs. Turn it on. So I'm going to turn this thing on, and let's see what happens. Take a quick tour. No thanks. Now, notice I have some different types of underlines here, not just the typical ones, but I have these other ones. So this is my really, really important essay. Let's see here. Change the pronoun to the. That's just a suggestion. A really, really important essay. I was hoping to catch that I think, I'm not an English teacher, I'm a math teacher, but I thought I needed a comma right there. English, no, and it's suggesting English here. In this essay, oh, look, add a comma. Okay, we want to do that. I am supposed to use the proper grammar. So, what this suggestion is. Oh, hey, look. Shouldn't have had that. I didn't even catch that one. So I am. That should be am. Proper grammar to the bestest of my abilities. Oh, well, that's not right. To the best of my abilities. Really hope that I can have gotten a good grade. Now notice it wasn't perfect. It didn't catch this. This is not good grammar. But notice it caught several mistakes. So Grammarly is not perfect, but it does really help and cut down a lot of the mistakes that you might normally have. And so this is a great way to make sure that you're doing this. If you have any questions or if this doesn't work quite the way I planned it out for you, just let me know and I will come to your classroom and give you a hand, make sure that you know how to get this installed. Hopefully this might be force installed on all of our Chromebooks, but we'll see if that happens or not. If not, this is how you can install Grammarly on Windows in Google Chrome or on a Chromebook. Will work the same way. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this has been helpful.